Hello kids, hammer color pen name, red color, pink color, light green color, gold color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, black color, silver color, and brown color. इस वीडियो में सीखने वाले बच्चों अल्फाबेट A to Z. A for apple. B for basket. C for candy. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fish. G for gun. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Bye bye kids.